Well, day number 2 at the Aurora Cenotaph. Great deal done yesterday. Got 3/4 of the Cenotaph sprayed with biocide, and all of the other monuments on the site, the altar of sacrifice and the Korean War monument over there, and the bench pads and the approachway and all the garden rocks. Today we'll get the front of this done. Got a lot of lead lettering painted yesterday. You can kind of see pretty clearly where the black stops and starts on this, and the fronts, and you can already see the biocide hard at work, cleaning up all that funk. The rest of it get a good spray today.